My name is Hans. We are in Lake Tahoe right now for a van meetup, and I just want to talk a little bit about my Sprinter van here. I've got the 2025 Geotrek Flatiron. Absolutely love it. First of all are the BFG KO3s. I've already put these bad boys to the test and they have proven really well. Surprisingly, on the road, on the highway, doing about 65, 70 miles an hour, you don't even realize that they're off-road. So I really love those. It's a great upgrade in my opinion. One of the very basic things that's kind of simple that I really love is the actual fan itself. Great for airflow. I actually turn the back air conditioner on just the fan and then this and just get some really great airflow. This bad boy just flips right there, which is kind of nice. Switching to the Dometic fridge, this looks like it's a very small fridge, but it is absolutely huge. I've had no issues whatsoever fitting in as much food in that bad boy as possible. This sink is straight out of a really nice kitchen. You obviously got the bamboo composite counters, which are really super nice. So we got my kitchen area, we've got my kitchen/bathroom area, and then we have my bedroom area right there. So that's the setup. This is kind of cool. As far as the bench seat, I've got all my stuff in here. I've got actually a toilet in there, which is really key in those crucial situations. We've got the Esper heater in this bad boy. I just turned that on this morning for about an hour. Heated up just like that. I went from I think it was like 55 degrees up to like 68 and really quick. So that was really nice. I really enjoyed that. As far as the bed itself, it's really comfortable. I do have this, I don't know if you can see this or not, but I do have my entertainment center right here with a zip tie hooked up to it. So I'm laying down, I just put my phone in there and I can watch movies if I like. Obviously these are swivel seats. It's really nice. You can take the Lagoon table right there. This actually pops off. You can put it right here, and then this seat also turns. I don't really turn it all that much, but you can actually do that. A nice thing also is these curtains. When these are turned, you can put the curtains over the backs of these, so you don't have to actually put all of this up as far as the shades go. Got this rug. This obviously is just a regular rug from Walmart or wherever. This comes out, you shake it out, and then this right here is usually for food and beverage industry folks out in back. I take this out, I put it down, I can wipe my feet on there before I get back in the van. It's actually really nice, so that's really convenient. Another little add-on that I did for this bench seat. This bench seat actually comes stock with the Flatiron series, but I just bought this. It's a puppy pad. Obviously I washed it, but a friend of mine gave it to me. They were gonna throw it away, and I was like, no, I'll take that. And it actually fits really perfect right here. This has been probably one of the best experiences I've ever had owning a vehicle. I've owned many vehicles, but going through the whole process with Geotrek has been absolutely wonderful. The guys there, I've had a few issues, and guess what? They've been solved right away, so I can't say enough. Go out and get one, guys. This is a badass vehicle.